WeatherTech trunk mat. In this video, we're gonna be installing this bad boy, and it's not as easy as just putting it inside because we have to cut out this part for the subwoofer. So let's go ahead and get it done. All right, we put our mat outside in the sun so it can be softer when we cut it. And this is the hatch area, and this is the subwoofer. As you can see, there's already a nice little guide right here where our mat is gonna fit in there. So let's go ahead and cut it. Okay, using a regular pair of scissors, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna go ahead and cut. It's a little tough, but it's manageable. You definitely don't want to go too far. So I'm gonna stop right there. And now I'm gonna get a box cutter and see if I could get in there. The box cutter might be easier, so I'm gonna put this in here. Just be careful with yourself. All right, I feel because it was in the sun, it's definitely easier. I do like the box cutter because you can clean up some of the cuts like this. Use our scissors right here. All right, let's try that. Okay, we're gonna test it out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and push up on this part so we can get it all the way back. All right, so this part was kind of sticking up. So I pushed the seats forward, got this side in, and then now we're gonna put the seats back. And here it is, guys, the finished product. This is perfect because now we could use it without worrying of it getting damaged. And another thing done to our Ford ST, make sure to check out our playlist. We have a bunch of videos as far as maintenance, upgrades, and DIYs. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, and we will see you soon.